Because the number one nga treasures in the kingdom of God is spiritual prosperity. Soul prosperity, peace of mind. Love, joy that keeps flowing upon you. You know, may isang definition ti rapture is unexplainable joy, unexplainable love. In the twinkling of an eye, that yung physical body will change into spiritual body, hantayin nga kasi biglaan nga. Nga tirik na tayo, dito yung physical body, nasaktan, tirik na tayo, kat tiragsak, nung nagrabaw, bigla in the twinkling of an eye, pagdarik ba, nasukatan the spiritual body, powerful body, hanmon nga ma-explain, hanmon nga makunin jay, panagjerik namon ta, na idumdum, mo ma-explain ka, grabe overjoy kay jay. And that is the treasures in the kingdom of God. That's the number one nga awan ijay Bangko Sentral. Ang sinasabi niya, all these things, yung nandun. Ano yung nandun? Yung mga design ng mga nasa third dimension. Food, yung shelter, lahat ng physical. And all these things na kailangan natin will be provided. So nga, we can withdraw. Basta seek first the kingdom.